Hey there, today we're going to talk a little bit about our BCP rewards program. The first thing we're going to do is go to the bestchoiceproducts.com website. And the next step is we're going to create an account. So just click on that. Accessing rewards points can only happen if you create an account. So make sure you create one. Now, if you already have an account and you forgot your password, you just click on that Forgot Password button. And now that we've created an account, we're going to head over to our rewards page. And from here, we have tons of ways that you can earn points. Number one, you can refer a friend, you can write a review, you can follow us on our social media channels, and of course, you can purchase something. And you can use your points at checkout by hitting Select Coupons. Apply all points. Important to note, you cannot combine reward points and promo codes with the same order. We hope that this has answered some of your questions, and we just want to thank you for being a BCP customer.